In relation to foldables, we don't simply consider the Galaxy Z Fold 4 to be a great folding phone. Samsung has long been a forerunner in this industry. It's now one of the best smartphones available, but there's always room for improvement, so it's time to consider the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which will soon replace it. Although there are rumors regarding the future flagship foldable gadget, it is not anticipated to be released for some time. We now know a little bit about what to anticipate as well as some features, but we hope Samsung will include them in the product. The market for premium folding phones is becoming more competitive, and Samsung now has the upper hand over longtime rival Apple. The introduction of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is all but a given, and it is anticipated to be on sale later this year. With the exception of the original Galaxy Fold, which was released in March 2019, Samsung has traditionally released its foldable phones in August. However, a recent report from The Elect, a Korean news site, suggests that Samsung may advance the launch date by 2 to 3 weeks, with a potential reveal date of July 26 and sales starting a week later. It is too soon to make predictions about the Galaxy Z Fold 5's price, as variables like the rising global cost of living, more expensive raw materials, and higher shipping charges could affect the ultimate cost. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 cost £1,649, $1,800, but unless Samsung is able to significantly improve its supply chain, it's probable that the successor may cost a little bit more. The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5 is anticipated to have a similar design to its predecessor, with a 6.2-inch external screen and a 7.6-inch internal display, but the bezels may be slightly reduced, resulting in slightly smaller overall dimensions. The device is anticipated to be thinner than the previous model, making it more pocket-friendly. One significant improvement anticipated for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the elimination of the gap between the two halves of the phone when folded shut. This feature has been successfully accomplished by rival foldable phones with a teardrop-style hinge, which also helps reduce the visible crease down the center of the screen. The rumored color options are cream, blue, and phantom black. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is most likely to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which may be a plus model but has not yet been revealed by Qualcomm. Samsung has already shown a concept smartphone with this technology to a Korean blog Naver during the CES trade show in January. This chipset may re-emerge because Samsung and Qualcomm previously worked together on a customized version of the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for the Galaxy S23 series. The smartphone will reportedly have a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens, according to Twitter tipster Yogesh Brar. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.